Are we ready to cook? So today we're going to try Armenian red lentil soup. Let's see how this goes. So let's open our recipe book. And here we go. Armenian lentil soup. So we got one medium onion chopped. Unfortunately, we're not doing onions today, but I recommend you do it with that. Next up is half a cup of dried apricots chopped. So we have this and, oh, all right, you know what? Nice. All right. Let's get a handful. What do you think? Half cup? That might be more, but that's okay. And now, and yes, hi, greetings. All right, let's try this again. That didn't work out. Come on. Ta-da. All right. Fun times. Next. Now, let's head over to the next one. We have half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of ground cumin. Cool. Here we go. We have them right here. Next, let's get a bowl. The bowl. And you know why the cumin wants to rest in a bowl? Because it needs more time. Oh, all right. We got the bowl. Got the spices, and now we need teaspoon. Now keep in mind, teaspoon, tisp, tablespoon, tibisp. Get the right one, right? All right, half teaspoon. Uh-oh, all right, hold on. Ah, ta-da, all right. Next, let's do, ta-da, that's time. Now the cumin. How about, all right, cumin's gone. Next. Now, I don't recommend the snappy thing at home. You got to be a professional for that. All right, now we got the onion, which we're not doing, but you can at home. The apricot, the thyme, the cumin. Next up is 1.5 cups of red lentils, cleaned. All right, let's not use soap this time. All right, red lentils, cool. Let's use the big one. All right. Now, you know what? Try this again. Nope, wrong one. All right. Now let's get something to clean it with. Aha. So yeah, I recommend a colander. That way the water can get through, the lentils can't. Remember, tiny holes. Lentils are tiny, but not too tiny. So this works. All right. All right, let's not do snappiness this time. This is pretty simple. Go like that. All right, here we go. Cleanliness is next to godliness. What is that, good enough? Should we go faster? All right. Okay, that will do it. Drain. Oh, yeah. Don't need to be too wet. Okay, in summary, lentils cleaned, drained. No onions, but you can have them if you want. Apricots. Seasonings. Now, the salt, pepper, and lemon we're going to ignore for now. We do that at the end. The olive oil is going to go in with when we're cooking. Next up, tomato paste, 1 to 2 tibsp, which means tablespoon. Make sure we get the right one. Ooh, here we go. Ready? Even better. Haha. And, uh-oh. And cool. Magical. All right, be careful on this stuff. And now, scoop. Be careful. All right, we got that set aside. We're not going to need that for a little bit. We're also not going to need this for a little bit. Let's look at the cooking. Saucepan. Saute the non-existent onions and apricots in olive oil. 10 to 15 minutes. Let's do that. Haha. No snap. Found it. All right. So, I think that's medium enough. You can go a little larger. That's okay. We need to make sure we have plenty of room. Now, olive oil, the extra version, the extra you get is the best, but you can go Vegas if you want. Extra virgin. Let's go in. That's good enough. One for my homies. Nope, no. Let's test out what region this olive oil is from. No. All right. Now we're gonna let that sucker get warm. Bring over the apricots and onions. And put them in. Damn good. And da-da-da. Next, make sure they are getting happy and warm and sweaty, like it's summer in there, because it's not out here. Not yet, at least. Aha. Oh yeah, make sure it's low heat. Yeah, we don't want to overcook this. Okay, so we have about 10 to 15 minutes, which means you can kick back, relax, have a cold one, hot one, whatever you want. Chill as it heats up. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to brown already, so keep an eye on it. So don't chill too much. Warily chill, if that's a thing. It's his third birthday today. Come on up. Birthday scratches. Good boy. Good Loki. Now there's a magic trick you can work on. It's pretty fun. Ah! It's my parrot. Say hi, parrot. We chilling? We waiting? Yeah, it's sweating. It's nice. Okay, I think we're good now, so let's put in the spices. Spicy. Not really. Alright, just checking. Okay. Alright, cook to make sure it really pops the flavors, but not too much. We don't want to get too aromatic. Alright, next up, the lentils. Ta-da! Alright, so we got all this going. Doesn't take too long. You can really smell it when you can smell it. It's ready for the stock. So I think we gotta get that ready. Okay, so 5 to 6 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. We go veggie because that's just how we roll. Now let's put that in here. Alright, as you can see, I only took it from that because there are already 4 in here. So just put 2 in here. 4 plus 2, 6. And now the 2. That's nice. And now the other 4. This might take a while. And ta-da! Happy times. We stir. It's nice. It's good stuff. We're gonna let it work its magic. Alright, so now we're going to simmer down now for another 15 minutes. Alright, let's see how we're doing. Hey, a stray. Get back in the bath. Ooh, happy times. That's where the magic happens, right in there. Still going strong. 10 more minutes. Let's waste some time. Time. Fun times. Alright, time to check on this. It's looking good. If only there was smell-o-vision. You'd like it. I know you'd like it. Alright, now it's time for the paste. Ta-da! This is 1 to 2 tablespoons. Alright. Now stir through. Incorporate it. It's gonna do its thing in there for the most part. Besides, it says we got a half hour. 30 minutes to blend. Alright. What should we do?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, are we looking? I think we are. Done. That's some good stuff. Alright. And let it set, and then ready to taste. And so now when it comes to the add-ons, I'd say a little salt, a little pepper. I think there's enough salt in the veggie stock, so pepper as you will, salt as you will. Do the lemon juice if you really feel like you need it. Same with cilantro, which I don't have because for some reason I don't think it works with it. But go with these at least and see what you think. And there you have it, Armenian lentil soup. It's It's good for cold days. It's good for when you just feel like having soup. You want something healthy. It's really good. Hearty and so flavorful. Lentils come through. The apricots have a nice kick. Just the right amount of seasoning. I recommend it. You should try it out. So enjoy. I'm going to do the same. Yeah. That was good. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe and other random things.